We all know what it's like when all of a sudden your phone stops working or it gets broken and now you're thinking, oh my gosh, are all my photos gone? Or you pay every month for that cloud service that just it just charges you more and more and more as you need to get more and more space to save stuff. Well, we don't consider that a really good solution, so we looked for something better and we found something that we like. We think you'll like it too. It's called the PhotoStick Mobile. All right, so here's the PhotoStick. They come in different sizes. This is a big one. This is 64 gig. Down here, I've got a 32 gig right there, and I just pulled the end off it so you could see the adapter. They do fit in iPhone or Android. Most tablets, they'll work. And right here, you're looking at my phone. You can see all the pictures I have on my phone. There's a whole bunch of pictures here. Here's the problem. If you take a look at the settings on my phone, I've used 7.2 gigs out of 8 gigs, which means pretty soon when I'm trying to take pictures or video, I'm going to get that little error message that says I'm out of space and I can't take anymore. Now, if I'm on vacation, I'm with my kids, it's important for me to have that space. The PhotoStick allows you to clear out that space and get access to all of your phone memory. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to come back here. And you see the PhotoStick app. I download this from the Google Play Store for free. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open that app. Then I'm going to take the PhotoStick itself, I'm going to plug it right in the bottom of my phone. Now, as soon as I do that, my phone is going to want to just open the files on the PhotoStick. It's going to say, oh, what's on the PhotoStick? Well, we don't have to worry about that. I'm going to go back to the app right here, and we're just going to select the PhotoStick Mobile. There it is. And then it says backup files now. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. It says backup all, or I can just select ones, but I'm going to back up everything. And you can see how fast it works. Now, if you had a bigger phone that was 64 gig or 128 gig, it might take a little longer, but still, you see how fast it's working. So really just a few minutes. And it archives everything. Everything on my phone is being sniffed out, it's being found and downloaded to the PhotoStick and backed up so that it's safe. Now, when that's done, I can view the files on the PhotoStick itself. I can remove the backed up files from my phone. This is how you clear out space on your phone. Or I can go to home. I'm just going to go back to home here. If for some reason I had wiped out all the files on my phone, but I wanted to put them back, take them from the PhotoStick and put them back on my phone, I could just hit Restore Files. But for now, we're just going to eject the PhotoStick. Okay, so I'm going to take it right out of my phone, and that's it. It's done. So I'm pulling the PhotoStick out, and now on the other end of the PhotoStick is a regular USB plug. I'm going to take that right over here to my laptop, and we're going to plug that in, just like that. And then you'll see it's going to pop up here on my desktop. There it is. And I could run the software if I want, but for now, I just want to go on to the PhotoStick Mobile and I want to show you that all my pictures are there. So I'm going into my Photos folder and take a look. Here they all are. These are all the pictures that you just saw on my phone. Now they're right here on my computer. They're safe, they're archived. I mean, all kinds of cool stuff on here from years and years ago. This is my wife and my son. This is when my blonde wife decided she wanted to become a brunette. This is a picture of me when I was 11 years old and thought I was a super cool skateboarder. Anyway, the whole deal is every single picture is right there on the PhotoStick. It's all archived, it's safe. I don't have to worry about my memories being deleted or erased, and I freed up all that space on my phone so I can keep taking pictures and video. PhotoStick Mobile. I'm holding the 32 gig. It comes in lots of different sizes. The 64 gig is the one that we actually have plugged into my computer right now. You can get the size you need. I recommend getting the bigger one because that way you can just keep plugging it back into your mobile device and keep saving those pictures and video to free up space.